The Governor Holcomb's statewide mask mandate, that still takes effect on Monday. As we told you earlier in the week, most citizens of Indiana are ordered to wear face coverings or face a possible charge of a misdemeanor.
The governor says he can do this under his emergency powers, but the state's top attorney says not so fast. Fox 59's Russ McQuaid shows us why.
Attorney General Curtis Hill says he's all for wearing face masks during the COVID-19 pandemic. He just wants to make sure the governor's order fits within the four corners of the state constitution. Governor Holcomb says it's a good idea if everyone wears a mask as often as they can, starting next week to keep COVID-19 in check.
I know not everyone will be supportive of this mandate. Compliance and enforcement are always in question.
One Central Indiana police chief says his officers won't enforce the governor's order, even though to violate it carries a B-level misdemeanor.
For us, it just simply comes down to manpower. You enact this, and we've basically got a 3-day notice to prepare for this, and if it greatly increases our radio runs, we have minimal manpower at times, and we just simply can't tie up our officers.
Attorney General Curtis Hill says the governor's order isn't constitutional.
The problem that we have now is that the governor is operating and has been operating under an emergency basis, under a disaster emergency circumstance, and the legislature has been out of session. The concern here is, are we actually talking about creating or establishing a law of which there would be a criminal consequence for the violation thereto? That's a function of the General Assembly.
Wednesday morning, Democratic lawmakers called on the governor to do just that, claiming Indiana's response to the COVID-19 pandemic and decisions about the tens of millions of dollars being spent to combat it are controlled by Holcomb and a small group of aides.
We would want our lawmakers to be in on the action because they're the folks who are closest to the people. And these are issues that the people need to make a determination for themselves in terms of having a law and having criminal sanctions for that law.
Marion County has had a face mask order in effect for about 2 weeks. The Attorney General says he has not been asked to review that order. At the Indiana State House, Russ McQuaid, Fox 59 News.